Good morning children, welcome to my class. In today's English language class, I shall teach you some fill in the blanks, okay? Fill in the blanks with the correct verb from the bracket. Okay, you have to select the verb. There will be two verbs given in the bracket and you have to select and you have to write down, right? So it will be in the form of fill in the blanks with the correct verb from the bracket. Okay. So first of all, verbs are doing words and being words. You all know verbs are doing words. That means they are action words and they are being words. Okay. So let us start. The janitor, number one. The janitor. What is the meaning of janitor? The meaning of janitor is caretaker or doorkeeper of a building. Caretaker means those who take care of a building or the doorkeeper of a building. That is known as janitor. So here you are learning a new word also, the janitor dash the sweeping and mopping okay. First we'll write down 5, then we will do, then we are going to discuss. Okay, does or do, two are there, so we have to select. Does or do, we have to select, or number 2. Okay, you can write in this way also, does or do, 2. Okay, they, number 2 you see, they dash obedient and intelligent children. Obedient and intelligent children. So in the bracket it is given was or where. Okay, number 3 you see, January dash a cold and foggy month. Cold and foggy month. Okay, are or is. Alright, number 4. Sam and Will have. Sam and Will dash a fine stamp collection. Fine stamp collection. Okay, so here it is have or has. Have or has. So now let us do. Okay, let us do it. First let us do 4, then we'll continue. Next 4 also we'll do. Okay, now you see you fill in the blanks with the correct verb from the bracket. The janitor is a person, is the caretaker or doorkeeper of a building. So the janitor dash the sweeping and mopping. The janitor does. Why we are using does here? Does is a verb, you know. Why we are using does here? Because here you see the janitor is a third person. Third person singular. With singular we use does. We don't use do. I do. You do, we do, they do. When it is plural and I, we use do. Rest he does, she does, it does. Okay. So the janitor is third person. The janitor does the sweeping and mopping. They. Now you see the subject. The subject is plural. So they were. We are talking here about many. They were obedient and intelligent children. Here we are Here they means children. Okay, and children means many. Child means one, children means many. So it is already in the plural form. They were obedient and intelligent children. Okay. So you see, with they we are going to use were, not was. Okay. They were obedient and intelligent children. January. Now you see here January. January is third person singular. That is, January is a cold and foggy month. Now you can clearly understand. Okay. January is a cold and foggy month. Okay. Sam and Will have a fine stamp collection. You see the subject Sam and Will. Two persons are there. So we are going to using have. Have a fine stamp collection. Is only suppose Sam would be there. Sam has a fine stamp collection, or only Will would be there. So Will has a fine stamp collection. Okay. So we shall continue. Next 4 also will do. Okay. Now you see, children, please see number 5. We dash meditation as a part of our course. So along with what we are going to use from do or does, we do meditation. Okay, just now I explained you in one sentence that with I do, we do, they do, you do, we use. With all this we use do. Okay, I do, we do. So we do meditation as a part of our course, and you see here the subject is plural. So here the verb we are going to use is do. We do meditation as a part of our course. Alright. She. Here you see she is third person singular. Please follow. She is playing for the Cambridge High team. She is one. She means only one girl. So she is playing for the Cambridge High team. When there is one, we use is. Okay. I. With I, see the options are or am. I am. Always. I am riding a black stallion in the snow today. Okay. Number 8, you see I. Always with I do. With I, we never use does. Okay. I does my work. No, it's wrong. I do my work. Okay. I do many things, including pottery, as a hobby. So now please let us see all this. We do meditation as a part of our course. She is playing for the Cambridge High team. I am riding a black stallion in the snow today. I do many things, including pottery, as a hobby. Children, you have to copy down all these things in your copy. All these sentences in your copy. Today I gave you 8 sentences. Fill in the blanks with the correct verb from the bracket. You have to choose and you have to write. Okay? Please do it in your copies. Thank you.